In this lesson, we'll learn how to use HTML tables, a great way to display structured data like schedules, prices, or contact lists. If you ever used a spreadsheet, tables in HTML work in a similar way. They are made up of rows and columns, built with specific tags. Here, we have an example of a table. So let's break it down. We have the table tag, this one, which is the start of the table. Then we have the table row, the TR. It's called a table row. Then we have a TD tag, which is a table data cell, the content that is inside a row. Each row has one or more cells. Think of this like writing in boxes across a line. Let's have another table here. And in this table, I'll paste the details here. And as you can see, it is different from the table that we had. Right now, we have added something else that is called the table header. Use table header instead of table data for the first row to create headers. Headers are bold by default, and they help describe each column. So it's a good practice to use headers for clarity and accessibility. To make the table easier to see, we can add a border in our table here, and we say border. What did I write? Border equals 1, and we have our borders in that table. Tables are perfect for presenting organized data like schedules, price lists, and contact directories. I will add another table. You can type this table, a table like this, for practicing. So when we talk of table tags, we have the table tag which starts the table. Then we have the table row. From table row, we are normally followed by table header, which is bold and centered. Then we have the table data. The table data cell, that is where we have the regular content. These ones, once you remember these 4 tags, you can build any table structure you want. Just remember we have table row, we have table header, and we have table data. In your about.html file, I want you to add a table showing your weekly plan, your favorite books, or a team list. Use the table header for column titles and table data for content. Add border, which is equals to 1, for visibility while learning. You can use 2 to 3 rows and at least 3 columns. So in this lesson, you learned how to create a table using table tag, table row tag, table data, and table header. When to use headers versus regular cells. You've learned how to visually separate data into rows and columns. You've also learned that tables are great for showing structured content like schedules or price lists. You are now able to organize data cleanly on your website. So go ahead, give it a shot. And for all that and more, I'll see you in the next lesson.